Good morning, guys. Welcome back to SR Trader. Today is 15th June. Nifty open gap up about 55 points. So I'll just mark my areas. This line is acting as resistance. This trend line is acting as resistance. So market opened. So I'll just mark support now. This area may act as potential support for today's session. So what I'm gonna do is, since market opening almost at resistance, what I'll do is I'll wait for some rejection candle from upside, and I'll short the market for the target of 50 to 60 points in Nifty. Let's wait for the market to open now. Pre-market open is about 15,866, which is our resistance area. I'll just mark a trend line. I did a blunder mistake here. Since Nifty at resistance, I tried to control Nifty thinking that it may fall from here, but it did not happen. I took a 15,750 put option. I may end up in stop loss today because I tried to control market. That is the biggest mistake one can do. Since Nifty is breaking its resistance, it may move higher, or there may be sideways market. There may not be a big fall as expected, so it's better to exit from position rather than losing much money. So what I'm gonna do is I'll bring my stop loss closer. So if market suddenly moves upward, I think it's better to exit rather than sitting here with negative, because market is started to move continuously upwards. Market making this pattern, so if it gives a breakout upward, I'll definitely hit my stop loss. Yeah, our stop loss got triggered, so I lost almost 600 rupees, which was my mistake. Because of some emotional play, I did not make money here today. Since this trend line was acting as resistance and price opened almost at the resistance, I tried to short the market, which did not happen, and I end up in loss today. I booked about 600 rupees loss. Okay, that's okay, but what was my mistake? My mistake was I was not waiting for some bearish signal. See, market now it's showing weakness, but I tried to short here, which was a big mistake. So I'll accept the loss. I'll keep you posted. If I take any trade, I'll just keep you posted. Nifty, I can see a head and shoulder pattern, and this trend line is acting as neckline. If this neckline is taken out with a strong candle, I'll short the market. See, but we need a powerful candle, because if there is very small candle, it will directly pull back the market upwards. Better to wait and watch what the market will behave here. This is the crucial level for Nifty, and if this level is taken downside, Nifty may fall about 100 points till here. Not 100 points, about 70-80 points, which is enough for us to make money. As I said, market is not making any big candles. It is making very small candles, but this is not enough for us to short market. We may end up in pullback, which we can lose so much of money. So it's better to avoid this Nifty trade. And now for the Nifty to short, we need this area to be taken out, 15,870 area to be taken out with a very strong candle, which is not possible now because it's making very small candle up there, which may end up in pullback. Yes, as expected, it took a support over here, and see that see that green candle, how big it is. And this was the only reason that I was saying you we want big candle for breakdown. Okay, I have marked some levels in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is making a flag and pole pattern in 5 minutes candle. So let's enter. If the flag is taken out upside, this is my plan for now. This will be my last trade. If I hit stop loss, I may exit with 1000 rupees of stop loss today. As I explained in Nifty trade, even in Bank Nifty we need a big green candle to break this area. If this area is taken out with a big candle, I'll enter and place stop loss of 500 rupees. So let's wait. if the area is taken out, we'll go long. Let's wait. This is the first target and 15,500 will be our second target. And yes, we saw a big candle and it's a clear breakout. Okay, I just took a long trade now. Let's see what will happen. Will the rally continues or not? I have placed about 500 rupees stop loss, which will make my stop loss, overall stop loss of 1000 rupees today. That is the maximum I can lose. I will be holding on to my trade since this will become a support now. Let's see what the price action will say, what the price will behave now. Okay guys, we took another stop loss today. 2 stop loss in a day is more than enough. Almost I lost 1000 rupees. The market did not sustain in the upside, but it suddenly started to move downwards. I kept a stop loss of about 500 rupees, but it hit my stop loss very early. But that's okay. We'll follow our rules that we will not trade more than 2 trades if we got 2 stop loss a day. That was my rule per my system. So I'll not trade today. This is the end of my day trading today. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.